Hello everyone, what's up? In today's session, we will be looking at filter, sort, find, replace, and go to. Why to wait? Let's go to Excel. In our day-to-day life, we use the word filter to remove unwanted things or to select only wanted things. In Excel also, we do the same thing. You have multiple ways to apply filter. But before applying filters, you need to select the area you want to filter. Now I have selected this area. Then you can go to data and filters, or in home you have in this editing section sort and filter. You click on sort and filter. You have an option called filter here, or you can use a shortcut Control Shift L, or you have another shortcut which is Alt D, then F, then F. Now you can see an icon here which indicates that filter has been applied. If I click on this arrow, you can see a couple of sort options. You have filter options and you have the list of values from that particular column. Let's say in this column, I want to search for SM and filter for it. Now I'll click on the search bar and type SM. You can see it is giving me a value which is available SM. Then click on OK. The data has been filtered for SM. Similarly, you have text filters which helps you to filter for an equal value, does not equal to, begins with, ends with, contains and does not contain, and custom filters. If you click on custom filters, you can see you have two boxes. Let's say in this case, I want to use begins with S, and let's say I want to go for contains and I will put M. Now it checks if the value begins with S and contains M, then I will get the values. To remove the filters, you can click on this and select all and click on OK, so that you will have the filter still applied. And if you don't want the filter to be available, then you can click on this and click on filter. It automatically goes off. To apply the filter, you will be using the same option, and to remove the filters, you will be using the same options. Now I will select, I'll use Control Shift L so you can see the filters. In filters, you have options like sort, sort by color. Let's say I want to sort this smallest to largest. I will click on this. It will give me the values smallest to largest. And similarly, if I want to filter for this, sort by Z to A, so I can click on Z to A. Now you can see the colors here. Let's say I want to sort by color, so I can click on this. I can sort by any color. Let's say this one. Let's say I want to filter by color, so I can click on this, filter by color, and select the color, so it will be filtered by colors. Now I'll remove the filters. Friends, it is not necessary to filter before you sort. You can sort without filtering. To sort, you can select the area, click on sort and filter, and click on sort A to Z. You can see it is sorted based on column A. Friends, when the data is huge, we normally tend to see the data by coming down. And let's say I identified this one and I wanted to filter for this particular value. Mostly people will copy this value and put a filter and search for it. But that is a longer method. So you can right click on this. You can click on filter. Then you will get couple of options by cell value, by color, by font color, by icon. In this case, we want to filter by cell value. So I'll click on OK. Now you can see it is filtered by cell value. I'll just remove. Now let's say I want to sort the equity column B. I will select, right click on sort, and I have couple of options. Let's say I want to sort A to Z. So you can see it is sorted based on A to Z. Now I will remove the filters. Friends, now we will see how to use custom sort. Now you can see you have the data in this sheet. I will select the data. I'll click on sort and filter, then click on custom filter. Now in custom filter, you have multiple options. Now it says sort by. Let's say we want to go for series, and instead of values, we will sort by cell color. And first I want to see the yellow color, so I'll click on that. Now we will try to add new levels. Click on series, cell color, the second color. Next one, series, cell color. You can select the third color, add level, series, cell color, and the remaining color. And we will add value to be sorted based on the cell value. You can see here we have the custom list also. You can create your own list. Now we will use largest to smallest. Now what it does is it will sort based on series and then it will sort based on value. If you click on OK, now you can see yellow color came on the top and it is sorted based on largest to smallest. Now we will go back to the main sheet. Friends, remember, if you are not selected any area and if you want to filter, filters will still apply. But here many people makes the mistake. Let's say you have a blank row here. We will add a blank row, right click, insert. Now you can see a blank row. Now if I am selecting this area and if I am clicking on filter, you can see the filter has been applied. Now you can see in this column you have only 5 values and not all the values in this column because filter has taken only this area to filter. Now I'll remove the filter and select the whole column and then I will apply filter. Now you can see all the values are available including blank. Now we will go to find. Find option we will use to find any specific text in the sheet, workbook or range. To find, you can go to home, then click on find and select. You can see here a find or a shortcut Control F. You will get a pop-up window for find and replace. Now you can see you have find. Find what? Let's say I want to find Reliance and click on find. You can see it is finding Reliance for me. If you click on find all, you will get all the available cell values with the value Reliance. Similarly, to use replace, you need to go to home, click on select and click on replace. Or next to find, you will have an option replace. Now it says find what? We wanted to find Reliance. Replace with, let's say I want Reliance Limited. If you want to replace in only one place, in the selected area it will replace. If you click on replace all, it will replace in all the places wherever it is written Reliance. Let's say we will replace. Now you can see it has changed from Reliance to Reliance Limited. Similarly, you can see in home, find and select, go to, or you can use a shortcut key F5 or Control G. Now I want to go for cell A1 because right now we are in cell A1426. So in that case, you can click on A1 and click on OK. You can see the cell A1 has been selected. Friends, in the sheet 1, you can see a specific case many people might have seen in your day-to-day life. So here you want to fill this data, let's say equity. Here you want to fill BE and so on. If you are doing this, it will take a lot of time. For that, you will be using an option GoTo Special. So we'll go back. To get GoTo Special, you have two ways. One is you can click on GoTo or F5 and then you can go for specials, or you can use GoTo Special directly. To use GoTo Special, first you need to select the area. So I will select the area. Then I will click on find and select GoTo Special. In this case, I want to fill blanks. So I want to select only blanks and click on OK. Now you can see only the blank cells has been highlighted. I'll click on is equal to and I want to take the previous cell value, and to fill everywhere I want to use Control and enter. Remember guys, you cannot use enter here. You have to use Control and enter together. All the blank cells has been updated with the previous cell value. Friends, I hope this video was informative. Please do let me know if you have any questions or suggestions in the comment section below. We will meet in the next session. Until then, be safe, keep learning Excel. Thank you.